Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to upload your official logo to your Godaddy website. This is a crucial step in establishing your brand's identity online. Before we dive into the process, make sure your logo file is ready and easily accessible on your computer. It's best to have it on your desktop or in a folder you can quickly locate. Let's begin by navigating to the Godaddy website. Open your preferred web browser and either type in the URL directly or search for Godaddy. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Sign In button at the top. Click it and enter your login details if prompted. If your details are saved, you'll go straight to your account. After logging in, head to the Godaddy dashboard by selecting it again. Here, click on the My Products section, which lists all your active domains and hosted websites. On your products page, find Websites Plus Marketing or your associated website product and click Manage. This will take you to your website's workspace. In the workspace, look for a prompt labeled Skip to Main Content to streamline your navigation. Next, locate the section dedicated to your website's visuals or branding. Here, you should find an Add Logo button. Click it, and you'll see an option to upload or change your logo. Choose Already Have a Logo or a similar option that appears. You will then be directed to select a file from your computer. Browse to find the logo file you prepared earlier, ensuring it's in a compatible format like JPG or PNG. After uploading, a preview of your logo will be displayed with options for adjustments or positioning on the site. Take your time to ensure it looks perfect. Once you're happy with the placement and appearance, finalize your choice by confirming your selection. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded your logo to your Godaddy website. You can return to your main Godaddy account dashboard by selecting Continue to Dashboard to manage other website aspects. Remember, having your brand's official logo prominently displayed enhances your site's professionalism and reinforces brand recognition among visitors. If you encounter any issues, Godaddy's support team is available to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in uploading your logo to your Godaddy website.